Absent ka dyan, Mark? So, nagahibi ang akong nga amo. Why are you out? Who said that you can go out? Okay, sige, lagaw. Okay, lagaw. Nauhaw ka? Okay, up. Don't touch my robe. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Nauhaw ka, baby? Okay. Amo ning reason nga nagpa-anti-rabies ako, not because he bit me, but because he attacked the cat. And I had tried separating the two. So I was kind of like in the crossfire. I got bit by the cat instead. So let's feed him. Well, not feed him. He's just thirsty, basically. Drink lang ba? Maro-bro ka man na, no? Okay na. Inom lang. Ate, hindi ka mag-inumin sa batin. We also transferred the lorry keys. This was rusty. We had Melbourne, the carpenter, fix this. Because this is pretty much a very good cage. The quality is good. It just got rusty because it was once used by Fonzie. Hi, Fonzie. He is African gray and he's a very good talker. Yes. Can you tell them? What? Hello. Just say hello. Hello. Oh, because there's a camera and you're not gonna talk. Are you cold? Okay, why don't you dance? Thank you. Okay, let's go to Pika and Jordy, who are trying to call me and get my attention. So where's Pikachu? You're Pikachu. What's your name? I'll get to you in a second. I know. Hi, Pika Pika. Hi, Pika Pika. You used to talk. Why did you lose weight? Ah, hi, Pika Pika. Kiss Mama. Wow, you are so loud. You want attention too? Okay, this is Jordy. Hi, Jordy. Hi, good morning. Pwede mamangkot, sir, kung ano ginang schedule sa pick up nyo sa garbage diri sa Gardenville Subdivision, Tangob? Oo, kay wala. Pagid may nagkuha sang amon basura. Sa Yakal Street. Ako man tong nanawag last week. Bala nung, oo, do permi lang kami di wala ginaka Yakal. Yung lang note down. Oo. Okay, so ang schedule is Monday and Thursday, good sir. Okay. Okay, so sir, mahulat kami karon ipagwa ko lang karon ng basura ha. Sige. Salamat. Okay. Pwede mabala ni mo name, sir? Dispatcher Danilo. Okay, sige. Thank you. Sige. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jen? Labayan ko na nilaliwat karon ng basura. Kay, no, as usual, puno na naman puno kagapon.
Much later.